Looking for the best budget drone in 2026 without spending a fortune? You're in the right place. In today's video, we've rounded up the top 5 best budget drones of 2026 that deliver impressive camera quality, stable flight performance, and beginner-friendly features, all at an affordable price. Whether you're a first-time pilot, a travel vlogger, or just looking for an awesome drone for fun, this list has something for every budget. Be sure to watch until the end to find out which drone offers the best overall value for your money. You'll find the purchase links for all the drones mentioned in this video in the description below. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tech reviews and buying guides. 5. Antigravity A1. Experience the future of aerial filmmaking with the A1 360 FPV drone, engineered for creators who demand immersive flight and effortless cinematic results. Enjoy a breathtaking 90-degree field of view through ultralight vision goggles featuring dual 1-inch micro OLED displays and pancake optics for crystal-clear, glasses-free viewing. Capture every moment in stunning 8K 360-degree resolution, then reframe your perfect shot after the flight. No missed angles, no second takes. Choose between the 249-gram standard battery for regulation-friendly flying or the high-capacity battery for up to 39 minutes of uninterrupted adventure. Whether you're a beginner using intuitive free motion mode or an experienced pilot flying in FPV mode, A1 delivers smooth, responsive control. Advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance, AI-powered auto editing 2.0, SkyPath, virtual cockpit, Deep Track, and one-tap professional maneuvers make every flight safer, smarter, and more cinematic. Watch our YouTube video to see the A1 in action and discover why it's redefining FPV and 360-degree drone photography. Number 4. Holystone HS900 Pro. Take your adventures to new heights with the Holystone HS900 Pro, a premium GPS drone built for travelers, outdoor enthusiasts, and content creators. Capture stunning 48-megapixel 8K photos and smooth 4K 30 FPS video with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that keeps every shot stable and cinematic. Whether you're filming mountain hikes, beach sunsets, road trips, or family moments, intelligent features like Follow Me, Quick Shots, Waypoint Flight, Orbit Rotation, and Dolly Zoom make professional-looking aerial content easy to create, even for beginners. With GPS-assisted hover, auto return home, one-key takeoff landing, up to 60 minutes of total flight time, and a 6-mile HD transmission range, the HS900 Pro delivers a confident and immersive flying experience. Pair your Amazon listing with a YouTube video demonstration to showcase its smooth footage, smart flight modes, and real-world performance, helping shoppers see exactly why this drone makes an unforgettable gift for dads, husbands, travelers, and adventure lovers. 3. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. Experience the freedom of flight with the DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, the perfect lightweight 4K camera drone for beginners and professionals alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it requires no FAA registration or remote ID for recreational flying, making it easy to take off anytime. Capture breathtaking 4K HDR videos and stunning photos with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal for ultra-smooth footage, even in winds up to 38 kilometers per hour. Enjoy true vertical shooting for social media-ready content. Up to 51 minutes of flight time with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus sold separately, and an impressive 10-kilometer HD video transmission range for exploring vast landscapes. Smart features like Quick Shots, Panorama, GPS Return to Home, Auto Takeoff Landing, and Precise Hovering make flying safe and effortless, while Quick Transfer lets you download footage directly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi. The Fly More combo also includes 2 extra intelligent flight batteries, a 2-way charging hub, a shoulder bag, and the DJI RC with a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, giving you everything you need for longer adventures. Watch our full YouTube review and flight test to see the DJI Mini 3 in action, explore its real-world performance, and discover why it's one of the best compact drones available today. Number 2. Potensic Atom SE. Looking for a lightweight 4K drone that delivers professional quality footage without the premium price? The Potensic Atom SE is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Weighing under 249 grams, it's compact, portable, and doesn't require FAA registration or remote ID for most recreational use in the US. Equipped with a 1/3-inch Sony CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 12-megapixel photos and smooth 4K 30 FPS videos with advanced EIS stabilization for crystal-clear aerial shots. Its powerful brushless motors provide level 5 wind resistance, while the Surgefly flight system offers beginner, video, normal, and sport modes for an easy and enjoyable flying experience. With 2 intelligent batteries providing up to 62 minutes of total flight time, a 4 km HD transmission range, GPS auto return, and smart flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Circle Flight, the Atom SE makes every adventure unforgettable. If you're searching for an affordable, feature-packed 4K GPS drone, this is one of the best options available. Check the Amazon link below to learn more and get the latest price. 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Experience the future of aerial photography with the DJI Mini 5 Pro, an ultralight, palm-sized foldable drone designed for creators who demand professional performance in a compact package. Weighing approximately 249.9 grams, it fits easily into your pocket while offering 42 gigabytes of internal storage for uninterrupted shooting. Capture breathtaking 4K 60 FPS HDR videos with the advanced 1-inch CMOS sensor. Enjoy cinematic perspectives with true vertical filming and a 225-degree rotating gimbal, and fly confidently day or night thanks to Nightscape omnidirectional obstacle sensing. The upgraded ActiveTrack 360-degree keeps your subject perfectly framed, making it ideal for cycling, hiking, and action shots. With up to 52 minutes of flight time per battery, 3 included intelligent flight batteries, a DJI RC2 controller, ND filters, spare propellers, and a charging hub, this all-in-one combo is built for serious content creators. Watch our YouTube video for a complete hands-on review, real flight footage, camera tests, and expert tips to see why the DJI Mini 5 Pro is one of the best compact drones available today. Thanks for watching our top 5 best budget drones of 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect drone without breaking the bank. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and buying guides. All the drones featured in this video are linked in the description below, so be sure to check them out for the latest prices, deals, and more information. Have a favorite drone or a question? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.